Well, has life pranked you? You watch your bike and your radio's not working no more? I'm not laughing, are you? I don't know, I just watched it and yeah, I broke it. I broke it. The bike. Went through nothing. Oh no. It was running. I started it up after I washed it. I let it run, dried it off. I went to shut it off and it stayed running. And I was like, okay, what now? Alright, I think I'm gonna end up pulling that main fuse and checking the main fuse. Let's try it again. I hear the injectors kick in and nothing. Nada. Alright, I'm gonna pull this bag off and I'm gonna pull this off, check that fuse. Just poppy and pop. Doesn't look wet in here. I don't know what's going on here. Fuse looks alright, I guess. Let's try it again. Please work. Well, you can see the headlight comes on. What did I do? When I washed the bike, I never sprayed this. I kind of went around, kind of sprayed everything. Oh man, what did I do? What did I do? I just washed the bike, that's all I did. What do we got here? Some fuses? Racing? I'll get you out of there, come on. How do I get you out? Okay, there it goes. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of just check them all here. Good. That looks good. Nothing there. I mean, nothing's wet. I don't know if I can get to these. That looks good. Oh. Oh. There she is. I blew this fuse right here. I blew the fuse right there. She is blowing. See if I can zoom in. No, come on, show the fuse. You can see it's blowing right there. All right, that fuse is blowing. Let's check. That one's good. The red one on top. Hey, come on. And that one. Oh. Okay. Oh, I dropped it again. Keep this up. I'm gonna smash it. Okay. Okay. So, red one on top. All right. I gotta find that 20 amp baby. I blew a fuse. I don't know how or what I did, but I did. Okay. Well, got one. Thanks to my car, it borrowed me a 20-amp fuse. Nice in my car, huh? Thanks, car. Oh, thanks for being there for me. Oh, and I dropped it. All right. And shall we run now? Ooh. And we're back in business. Why that blew, I don't know. I just don't know. Did it blow again? Oh no. It might have just blew again. I bet I got something wet somewhere. Oh no. It worked for a second. Let me see. Let me pull this top one out of the way. Let's get you out of the way. Oh, let me shut it off. Well, something got wet somewhere. And it blew it again. All right. Crap. All right. I must have got her wet somewhere. Somewhere something's wet. I bet you the handlebars, I sprayed the bars. I'm just gonna let this thing sit overnight and dry out because I sprayed the bars pretty good. I bet something's wet. I bet something's wet. All right. We're just gonna let her sit overnight, chill out, relax. I'll get some more fuses. Let's just all calm down. Let's just calm down. Let's all just relax. I'm not laughing, are you? Okay, it's been 24 hours. It's been 80 degrees out all day. I left it out, let it air out. Recap, I pressure washed it. I really washed the mirrors because there's a lot of bugs on them. And I'm thinking the switches got wet. I don't know. I pressure washed it. I started it. I dried it while it was running. It ran for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. I went to shut it off. I realized the computer screen, the radio wasn't on. I thought, what the hell? I shut it off. It stayed running. I turned it back on. It stayed running. I shut it off. 5-10 seconds, it finally shut off. And now it won't do nothing. I've already blew a fuse. I replaced a fuse. I blew another fuse. So now we are going to stick another fuse in her. And if she doesn't run, and there's something wrong, we're just going to get shit-faced. Okay? Because that's where I'm at. We're just going to get shit-faced. Because I've been thinking about this all day. I couldn't sleep last night. This really stresses me out. We might just get shit-faced even if it runs. I don't know. I haven't decided. Okay. I stole another fuse out of the car. I really need to get some fuses. Okay, and now put another one in. I took the main one out this time just to be safe. And we'll put this guy back. Okay. I'm scared to do this because if it doesn't work and I have more issues, we're just gonna get shit-faced. That's where we're at. That's where I'm at. Just gonna get shit-faced. All right, come on, baby. Working. Working. Okay. I'm gonna hit the accept. Turn the radio on.
We've got our answer. Number 12 is back with the pack.
Aaron Rodgers is in the building.
And let's start. I'm almost scared to wash her now. Engine lights on. That might be because I had the fuse out. I'll reset all that. So far, so good. If I have any more problems, I'll let you know. I'm going to take it for a ride. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Careful when you wash your bike. That's all I got to say.